This time again when we are dealing with our circle theory. Today's lesson will be about the cyclic quadrilateral. I trust that you will enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and wait. I will be with you in a second. Today we want to look at the cyclic quadrilateral. So if I should just quickly again, so here it is, we have a cyclic quadrilateral. And this is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices, they are actually on this circumference. So we're looking at this, 2, 3, all 4 vertices are actually on the circumference of the circle. So you could see them on the circumference there. Whenever this occurs, we have a cyclic quadrilateral. So it's a quadrilateral within the circle. It's inscribed in the circle such that all the vertices are on the circumference of the circle. And when this occurs, then we have some special relationship going on. So just let me say to you that in a cyclic quad, all right, in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles, opposite angles are supplementary, which means they add to give 180 degrees. And this is a principle that we'll use a lot. Opposite angles will add to give 180 degrees. So we have, let me mark this. We'll have an angle here, which is opposite to the angle here. And this angle here is opposite to the angle here. So that's what we mean when we speak of opposite angles, all right? All right, so let us put on some angles on these, and then we'll see if it works. One, let's put on the angle here. Right. So this angle is 101.83, and let me put on the angle opposite to it. Now, what we're saying is if you should look at these values, right? If you're looking at these values here, 101.83, 78.17, if we should add these, it should come to 180 degrees. So let's check this. Check 101. So let's go 101.83 plus 78.17, 78.17, and this should give me 180. See that? So we get this 180 up here. All right, so that's what we're saying, that when we add opposite angles in a cyclic quad, we will get 180 degrees. Now let's put on the other pair. All right, so let's go again, angles. All right, so we're putting on this angle here. All right, I get 108.56. Let's put on this angle here, and I get 71.44. So these two angles are supplementary, or we could just say they add to give 180 degrees. Let's double check it with our calculator quickly. 108.56 plus 71.44 equal 180 degrees. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, which means they add to give 180 degrees. And so basically I could even change the angles. Like I could move this around, the angles change, and I'm going to double check it now. All right, so I move it around, I'm going to double check it now. Let's double check it. Let's check these. All right, let's bring back my calculator up. We're going to check those. So we're checking 131.8, so it's 131.86, and we're adding that to 48.14 plus 48.14. I should get 180. 180 there still. And let me check the last one, opposite. So opposite. So this is opposite to this. They should add to give 180. So it's 96.65, 96.65, and we are adding that to 83.35, 83.35, and I should get 180 degrees. So there is it. We're seeing where opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral does add up to give 180 degrees. Now there is one other thing here on the cyclic quad that is very important, right? And let's look at it. If we have an external angle, right? So I'm going to create a line. All right, good. So I extend this line here. So when I extend this line here, let me put a point somewhere on this for notation. All right. So here is the thing. This angle out here, let me mark it quickly. Where's my pen? This angle here is an external angle for this. So it's exterior angle here, interior angle here. All right. So the thing is, so a straight line would have helped us to understand that this angle here is the exterior angle to this quadrilateral, and this angle here is an internal angle. But there is something special going on right now. So let us look at it. So I'm going to mark this angle here. So let me mark this angle. No. So I'm marking this angle right here. And you're going to be surprised that the angle here, the exterior angle, is equal to its internal's opposite angle. 96.65, 96.65. Let's go again. This external angle is equal to the internal's opposite ownership. The internals are the interior's opposite. One last time. The exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior's opposite. Hence, 96.65, 96.65. So these are rules that we need to remember. Thank you for watching. And episode 4 will be coming out soon. I trust that you will be watching. Please subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you.